Everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a PlayStation account or sign into a PlayStation account. To begin, you want to press on your Google taskbar and write PlayStation.com. I wrote that wrong. PlayStation.com. From here, you simply want to go right here. Let me close this. You want to press, for you it should be in a different language. Let me switch the language real quick. There we go. So from here, you want to go to anywhere here, and it's going to give you all this advertisement about the PlayStation 5, etc. But this is not the website we want, so we're actually going to write PlayStation login. From here, you want to press on this one and login and password. Now, as you can see up here, sign in has appeared, so that is what we're going to press on. And now we can finally do what we must do. So I'm going to bring you here. Now, if you do have a PlayStation account, you're going to put in your email and then your password. For us, we are going to press on create new account. And we're going to press create. It's going to ask for your country or region. Press next. Putting your real things. I'll put random because I'm not actually like making a real account. Once again, random for me. It's going to ask for email password, re-answer password, and many more things. So let's do this. There we go. We're going to press on next. Then it's going to ask for your city. We're going to do Los Angeles or something. And Alaska. Also go with 90. This next. Whatever. Online ID, first name, blah blah blah. Online ID, the man. First name, only ID. Next. This ID is not available. Upper shrimp. You know what? Yeah, let's do that. Then and you're gonna press on agree and create account. And that is how you make a PlayStation account. I'm not gonna continue because I don't want to create an account. But for you, that is how you create an account. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.